Infrastic. Lebanon produces around 2.04 tons of solid waste, 16% of which are plastic, non-biodegradable waste. Such epidemics, Saida, MENA, Bush Hammoud, and Costa Brava, wouldn't have existed if we disposed the garbage in a sustainable way. Infrastic is a concrete block mix that consists of plastic pigments and foam particles infused together to replace the sand and aggregates found in the traditional normal hollow block. Our fabrication process is quite easy. First, we start with gathering plastics, found in the streets. We send them to factories, they process it into small pigments, we add foam, and we have our Infrastic block. What makes ours special? First, it's lightweight. Second, it directly reduces the plastic waste found on the streets. And third, it's cost efficient. Infrastic, if we win this competition, we would be moving through this timeline. Phase 1 would be pilot development. We would start with the block, developing and researching. We started with the first cylinder with 61% of waste, reaching 77% of waste in these trials. Second would be scaling the project, going into the market through municipalities. They can recommend our product to ongoing local project, or even in the private sector, it can be an installation in a park, or the contractors. Well, if it's cheap and it works, they are definitely going to buy it. Which puts us on the winning market. Infrastic is cheap, it's environmentally friendly, it reduces the plastic waste directly, it's trendy, and it has insulating properties. How are we going to measure our success? Through the number of blocks bought and used each year, the pollution index of the buildings I'm residing in, for example, and the number of blocks used, the Infrastic blocks used, in comparison to the traditional normal hollow block, and people's willingness to dispose their garbage without the feel of guilt. Our early adopters would be Beirut Arab University Fabrication Lab facility, where we are fabricating the molds and the trials. Second, AB Asphalt Lab. Why the Asphalt Lab? Because we are working on an asphalt plastic mix to fill the potholes found on the highways of Lebanese streets. And we are trying to get patent for both projects, which is phase 4, and have Infrastic used as a structural element in any building. By the way, this is Luay Ghazawi, and this project is managed by skillful architects and engineers. And I want to conclude by this quote: be part of the solution, not part of the pollution. Thank you.